In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Microsoft Office completely from Windows 10 or 11, including removing any associated license information. We'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure that your uninstallation is thorough and leaves no trace of Office on your system. To begin, we're going to open the Windows settings. Simply press the Windows key and the I key on your keyboard at the same time. This will bring up the Windows settings menu, where we'll access the necessary options for our task today. Once the settings window is open, look for the section labeled Apps. Within this section, you'll find Apps and Features, which is where we'll be doing most of our uninstallation work. Next, we're going to locate Microsoft Office in the list of installed applications. You might have to scroll down or use the search bar. But once you see Microsoft Office, click on it. After selecting Microsoft Office, you'll see an Uninstall button appear. Click this button, and a series of prompts will guide you through the uninstallation. Make sure to follow these prompts closely to remove Office from your machine. With Office now uninstalled, the next step involves checking for any leftover folders. Press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously to open the Run command box. In the text field, type %program files % and hit Enter. Look for any leftover folders related to Microsoft Office. Repeat this process by typing %program files xt6% into the Run dialog and checking for Office folders here as well. If you find any, delete them, which helps to ensure all elements of the software are removed. Now, we'll turn our attention to the Windows registry, a more involved step but crucial for complete uninstallation. Again, press Windows and R to open the Run command box. This time, type regedit and hit Enter to open the registry editor. In the registry editor, we're navigating to a couple of different paths. First, locate HKE Ujarn current user and expand it. From there, follow the path through Software to Microsoft and finally to Office. You'll want to delete the keys associated with Office here. Next, follow a similar path under HKEYIE local machine. Expand Software, navigate to Microsoft, and then find Office. When you locate the Office keys in these paths, carefully delete them. Be meticulous here, as incorrect changes to the registry can affect your system. And there you have it. You've now uninstalled Microsoft Office completely, including all the leftover files and registry keys. This process removes any remnants of the software as well as the license information, ensuring that if you ever want to reinstall, you'll start with a clean slate. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more how-to videos.